Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript. Find the length of a string. You can find the length of a string value by writing dot length after a string variable or a string literal. So in this case, we have used a string literal where the content within double quotes. After that, we have given a period and asked for property length. And the answer will is 10. For example, if we created a variable where first name equal to Charles in double quotes, so that it becomes a string, and we could find out how long the string Charles is by using the first name dot length property. The task for this challenge: use the dot length property to count the number of characters in the last name variable and assign it to last name length. So we have to assign it to the last name length. So just we have to put length here after period, and it should calculate the result. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.